Hey everyone, so today I am reviewing the SweetieSong Pocket Fetal Doppler. This is a Doppler so you can hear your baby's heartbeat at home. It's great to be able to let your partner listen to the heartbeat with you, your children, your parents, family, friends. It's kind of a fun little way to share the experience of pregnancy with everyone that's close to you that might not be able to make it to a doctor's appointment. This was also really great for us. If you don't know, we had a bit of a pregnancy scare. At week 21, we went in for our scheduled ultrasound and they thought they saw something concerning on the ultrasound. So we had to wait an entire week before we could go back in and get another ultrasound to see what was going on. Everything ended up being fine, thank goodness, but that was a really long week and I was really glad that I had this because I was able to listen to the heartbeat if I was worried. So every few days I'd kind of listen to his heartbeat just to see how he was doing, and that was really reassuring to have. So I'm going to go ahead and actually show you how this works. Open it up, it has your instructions, a little manual, your gel, and then this is the Doppler. So you've probably seen this before. It's just a little handheld Doppler. It does take batteries, 2 AA batteries. So let's go ahead and see how this works. So you're just gonna take a little bit, I'm not exactly sure what side he's on, but he's moving a lot over here. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of that gel over there. I'm 30 weeks pregnant right now, so it's pretty easy to find the heartbeat. If you're really early, you might have some trouble finding the heartbeat, so just be aware of that. Don't freak out if you're still in your first trimester or even just barely into your second trimester. Sometimes this won't pick it up right away, or you just might not know exactly what spot to put it on to get the baby's heartbeat. But once you're farther along, there's really no way to miss it. And there it is. And it tells you the beats per minute. It's a little higher now. He doesn't like when I mess with him, so I think it increases his heartbeat. Personally, I wouldn't necessarily use the Doppler on a super regular basis. I definitely wouldn't use it every day. And talk to your healthcare provider, your midwife, your doctor. Make sure that they approve you using a Doppler at home. You know, depending on if your pregnancy is high risk or not, they might suggest that you don't use a Doppler. It is safe. It's approved for at-home use, but always talk to your healthcare provider to make sure that they're on board with that. And, you know, always do what you feel comfortable with. I feel comfortable doing it every once in a while, not on a daily basis, but it's definitely a very handy tool to have, and I'm really glad that I have it. So if you'd like to purchase one of these, you can get it at healthcaremanager.com. You can also look it up on Amazon. It's the SweetieSong Pocket Fetal Doppler. It's about $35, so relatively low cost. I can put a link below actually. It'll take you right to the website and you can decide if that's something that you'd like to purchase. Let me know if you have any questions. I'd be happy to answer them, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.